Hello students, welcome. And today we will discuss IELTS writing task 2 question. This question recently came in the IELTS test. Some people work for the same organization all their working life. Others think that it is better to work for different organizations. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So the keywords here are same organization, different organizations. Okay, we have to discuss both views and give your opinion or give our opinion. Basically, the question states that working with same company versus switching companies periodically. So, what we have to talk about? In the introduction, we'll talk about employment. Why is employment important? How employment generates economic opportunities, and how it creates a cycle whereby employees can work for the same organization or can work for different organizations. In body paragraph 1, we'll talk about how working for the same organization is beneficial for the employee. In body paragraph 2, we'll talk about working for different organizations. And in conclusion, we reinstate or restate our opinion. Okay. So in introduction, we'll talk about employment, paraphrase the question, and then give our opinion. Okay, so in body paragraph 1, we'll write about the benefits of working for the same organization. What do the proponents of working for the same organization believe in? So the first belief is that there is a loyalty from the employees for the companies. Of course, when some people who would be working for the same company for about, let's say, 10 years, 15 years, that showcases company loyalty. Secondly, if you work for the same company for a number of years, your job would be more stable. And thirdly, there is a greater chance of advancement through internal hiring. Again, when we talk about more stability, we talk about sectors such as government sectors, in which employees work for at least 10 to 15 years and they have the same job responsibilities. Also, for the third point, we have to take into account the greater a chance for internal hiring. Now, certain job postings do not come on the internet. Companies hire through their own selves, and they hire people which are already working in the company. So that's called internal hiring. So now we move on to the body paragraph 2. So in body paragraph 2, we'll talk about working for different organizations. Now the proponents for working for different organizations state that it increases skill set. Now, as we are in a very fast changing world, changing companies lead to increasing skill set. Obviously, different companies require different skill set from their employees, and if you constantly change the company that you are working in, you will have to have different skills. So, for example, let's say you are working in the banking sector, or let's say HDFC, in a customer service role. Skills that you will have will be more of a customer service based role. But let's say now you have changed your company, now you have moved to ICICI, and now your role is more towards sales. So you will need to require different skill set that will be based on sales. Secondly, the proper people also say that it leads to faster career development. Yes, sometimes it does lead to faster career development, especially in terms of salaries. So, for example, if you switch your company over periodically, you will renegotiate your salary every time, and that may lead to an increase in salary. Also, in certain jobs, for example, IT, people often change their jobs from time to time as they believe that the CTC will increase the more they switch the companies up to a certain point. Thirdly, the changing times. Now, despite what the proponents for working for same organization say. We are living in a time where artificial intelligence is slowly taking over. And in these changing times, we need to hone our skills in such a manner that we are up to date with our skills. So, for example, let's say web development. Web development has changed over the course of decades. Primarily, HTML and CSS were used for front end development, but now React or let's say Angular has come to the forefront. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll hope to catch you in the next one. Thank you. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button